What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's front bumper on this Yamaha Wolverine RMAX. So let's get right to it. So the first thing we're going to do is come to the front as well as the bottom of the machine here and remove this front cover. So we're going to have two 10mm bolts here, two down here, and then we're going to have another two on the far back side of the cover. So once we have our cover removed, we're going to want to loosen this bolt here as well as this bolt, and then remove the bolts that come through the side of the frame into the factory lower bumper. You'll have one on each side. So now we're going to go ahead and remove the hardware from the side of our bumper. Once you remove your side bolts, just hold on to your bumper and let it rock back just a little bit. So now we're going to come here to our winch hook, remove our cotter pin as well as the pin. Set it aside. And then we're going to remove our Fairlead. You'll have two 14mm bolts, one on this side, one on this side. Slide your rope through your Fairlead. All right, so now we're gonna grab our front bumper. We're gonna take it and we're gonna lip it over top of the center section on our factory bumper and plastic here. So it'll sit just like this. Once it's sitting up there, you're gonna notice on the back side, we have factory tabs that we're gonna line up our tab on our bumper with. And then right through here, there's factory bolt holes to attach a bumper. And I'm going to show you what hardware we're going to utilize for this. So we're going to grab two bolts out of our hardware kit, two flat washers, and two nylock nuts. So now we're going to take our hardware with our flat washer, slide it through the factory hole in the frame, through our bumper, reach through the Fairlead hole, and get our hardware started. So now we're going to take two of our bolts out of our hardware kit and get it started through our bumper into the factory clip on the frame. So now we're going to take a 10mm ratchet wrench and just go ahead and fully tighten our hardware up here. So the last step for the bumper is going to be installing your end caps. You only want to put the end caps on if you're only running the bumper. If you're running the SuperATV tube fender protectors, then you would just leave your hardware out, which we're going to install the tube fender protectors on this machine, so we're not going to be installing our cap. If you are, just use the Allen in the hardware kit and the cap, thread it right into the end of the tube, fully tighten it, and that's all there is to it. So now all you need to do is go ahead, reinstall any components that you've previously removed, make sure all your bumper hardware is fully tightened, If you would like to see how to install the tubed fender protection kit with our bumper, check the description below. Also, while you're there, you can pick up a bumper, and always be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.